Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert your Lycamobile physical SIM to an eSIM in 2026. Now, first of all, before you begin, you need to make sure that your smartphone is eSIM compatible and it should be also connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. Now, once you have it ready, you need to come here on Lycamobile's website. Now, over here, click on your profile icon on the top right hand corner, then click on the option of My Lycamobile. Now over here you need to log in into your account using your existing mobile number that you have. Now once you log in into your account, you just have to simply look for the option of the SIM management section. Now on the SIM management section, you are going to find the option of change to eSIM. So you just have to simply click on that option, and afterwards you just have to simply select the option of swap on a new eSIM option. This way you are going to get an opportunity to check the device compatibility. Just make sure that your device is in the list before proceeding. After doing so, Lycamobile is ask you for the confirmation that your device supports eSIM, and then you just have to basically verify it, and you can verify it using the one-time passcode that will be sent on your registered email address. Afterwards, you just have to follow further on-screen instructions in order to complete this conversion process. Once it is approved, Lycamobile is going to send you an eSIM QR code on your email address. So you need to open your phone's email settings, then add eSIM option, and then you can scan that particular QR code. So that's how basically you can convert your physical SIM to eSIM. All the process is given over here, so you can just simply go through these steps. Plus, if you face any kind of problems during this conversion, you can just simply contact them on these given numbers and they are going to help you in this regard. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.